United Nations Convention of the Law of the Sea, giving every country this obligation to protect and preserve for marine environment. Therefore, Japan government did not properly handle this issue and did not follow the international law, but insists of taking action to discharge its nuclear wastewater. This kind of irresponsible action has a negative impact on the stability and rationality of the international legal system.
There are other ways. You can recycle it in a different way instead of throwing it into the ocean. The ocean, which is life, let's not make it a garbage bin.